only God, Allah. These are the pillars of Islam, only God, Allah. Praise Allah, pray 5 times a day. These are the pillars of Islam, pray 5 times a day. Fast all day, fast in Ramadan. These are the pillars of Islam, fast in Ramadan. Give zakat, give to help the poor. These are the pillars of Islam, give to help the poor. Round we go when we make the Hajj. These are the pillars of Islam, make our pilgrimage. These are the pillars of Islam, make our